Hello guys, welcome to the market overview, weekly forecast, and right now we are looking at US30. We're gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. So these are the areas we expect the market to range within. And you can see we had this area here where we did have our first touch, second touch, third touch, and fourth touch, and we can see that the market is in an upward trend, right? It's in an upward trend, and we can move it to just for the most touches. You can see that this area right here is an area of resistance. That area right there is an area of resistance. And if we go to the 4-hourly time frame, you can see now on the 4-hourly time frame, you can also see that this area right here is another support area because the market did break above it and come back for a retest, making that area to be a strong support area. You can see that we are looking at this area here. Right, we're gonna just look at this area right there where it did give us a first touch, second touch, and a third touch. And what you can also see that there's double top formation that is formed right here, that double top formation. Let me just highlight that properly, that double top formation right there. So you can see the market bouncing back down, looking for self setups at the start of the week, right? But you can also see that overall this is an ascending triangle. So we can also see should the market break above here and close, we'll be looking to take our bias towards the upside, right? Let's adjust this properly. Let's just adjust it like that. Yeah, we're gonna leave it to that adjustment. But yeah, that's gonna be it for US30 for the week. Looking at Germany, we are gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. And our weekly high and weekly low. You can also just adjust that to this area right there, to that area right there. But we can see with Germany, you can see that we did have this support area right there where the market did come back for retest, and then it did shoot up with that upward or bullish movement, right? That bullish movement. And if we go on the 4-hourly, time frame on the candlesticks, just zoom in, you can see that we are still in that overall bullish trend, that overall bullish market. Still in that bullish market. Right, it's just we are still in that bullish market. And what you can also see that from this area right here, we did have a support area. This area was a support area. You can see that should the market now close above, give us a retest, we'll be looking to take our buy entries, looking at that area there for our overall target. And we also have this area right here. This area right here, should the market come back for a retest, that's the resistance support area. We also have this area here as another support area. But yeah, that's gonna be it for gold for the week. Taking a look at gold, and again we're gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. Let's go to the candlesticks and on the day 4-hourly time frame. And we can also see that with gold, we are still in that bullish movement. We're still within that bullish movement right there. We can see that the market, we're looking at where we had our first touch, second touch, third touch, and fourth touch, and the market did now retest, closed above it. So now we can see that the market come back for a retest. It might get open and shoot up. We'll be looking to take that buy entry, right? We're looking to take back that buy entry because you can see that we are at the top of that ascending, we are at the top of that bullish resistance area, right? Bullish resistance trend line. and we can see that the market did hit it, gave us a few retests of that area, and then broke above it and closed above it. And you can see now with that doji right there, should it give us a even star, we can also take that sell entry. But yeah, that's gonna be it for gold for the week. We'll just be looking what happens here. And we can also see this area right here. This area right here is a support area should the market come back for retest. And this area again right here is another support area. And if you wanted to play with this area right there, that can also be another support area. And you can also see that this area right here, this area right here is another area of support. But yeah, we're gonna leave that on gold. Taking a look at the fundamentals that we might have right throughout the week, and we can see that on 2 minutes. On Monday we don't have anything. On Tuesday for Germany we have the inflation rate, and then again the economic sentiment, and then the Fed Williams speech. I don't know, for United States we just have to be on the lookout for that. I don't think it will have that much of an impact, but okay, those will just be looking at the Fed speeches do usually have impacts. And then on Wednesday nothing again, and then we have the PPI. Again, this is important. The PPI, the retail sales. So on Wednesday we can see that we do have big fundamentals, and then we do have again, still we do have a lot of fundamentals on Wednesday, important fundamentals for that, right? So a lot of manipulation might okay, but we'll just have to be on the lookout for that one. And then on Thursday with the initial jobless claims, again the Fed speeches, we might also be looking at those. So we do have fundamentals and then the Fed speeches as well. So just be looking out for this Fed speech. So on Monday we are not going to have anything, but on for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we do have huge fundamentals. Taking a look at NAS 100, and we're gonna plot again our weekly low and our weekly high, weekly low and weekly high, where we had our first touch, and then we had our second touch right there. First touch, second touch. You can see that the market is wants to come and form that third touch, which will confirm that downward trend line, upon the third touch. But what you can also see, if you take it the candlesticks, you can also see that this area right here is an area of resistance, which was previously an area of support. If you take that to the forward time frame, just take a look at this right there. Just move it up to cater for the most touches. Just move it up right there. Right there, just move it up right there. Then now we can zoom in. You can see that the market was also still in a bullish movement, right? Still in a bullish trend. What you can see here is, if we do this correctly like that, head and shoulder pattern, right? You can see this head and shoulder pattern, that head and shoulder pattern right there, and you can see that the market might now reverse up with that market movement, that bullish momentum. So we might be looking for buy setups. We'll just be looking for once the market closes above this area, right? Once the market closes above this area, we'll be looking to see if we can take buy entries. Looking at, again, this is another area where the market might reverse it, but we'll be looking to take that buy and looking at this area here. This area here is our overall target. Should this head up and shoulder pattern be respected? But yeah, again guys, that's gonna be it for the weekly forecast. So please like, share, comment, subscribe, and yeah, enjoy the trading week ahead. Peace.